Hey guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make smooth, slow and fast motion video on VN. So here I've already added the editor page on VN and I've already added a video of a woman dancing, and I want to change I want to edit it so that parts of it have slow motion and parts of it has fast motion. So first what you need to do is split the video into several parts. So I'm going to play the video first and split it. Okay, I've already split and then play again. Okay, play again. Okay, so what I've already split it into several parts, and then what you need to do is click on the first part first and then go to speed. So I'm going to make the first part into slow motion, so just click on speed and click on regular, and here swipe the speed so that it will go slow like this. I'm going to just use 3/4 and click on the check icon. And for the next part, I want to make it fast. Just go to the next part, swipe like this and click on speed again and click on regular. Now you need to slide into the right like this and click on check again. And for the next part, I'm going to just leave it as it is, and here at the next part I'm going to make it, click on speed again, and I'm going to make it slow again. Okay, and the last part I'm going to make it fast. Okay, so let's see the result. Oops. Okay, you see the difference, right? Okay, so I think that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment and also subscribe to our channel. See you on the next videos. Bye.